Have you ever pondered the pivotal battles of the Civil War, the conflict that tore America apart and shaped its future? Civil War Interpretive Centers serve as time capsules, preserving and presenting the history of this transformative period. They provide a tangible connection to our past, offering a deeper understanding of the events that forever changed the course of our nation. Join us as we journey through the top 5 Civil War Interpretive Centers, each representing a significant chapter in the war's narrative. Our first stop is the Gettysburg National Military Park Visitor Center in Pennsylvania. This place invites you to delve deep into the history of the pivotal Battle of Gettysburg. Interactive exhibits stimulate your senses, while the grandeur of the Cyclorama takes your breath away. Expert-led tours offer insights into this turning point of the Civil War, detailing strategies, key moments, and human stories. This center masterfully captures the complexity of Gettysburg, offering a comprehensive understanding. Gettysburg, a turning point in the Civil War, is captured in all its complexity at this immersive center. Next, we travel to Georgia, to the Chickamauga and Chattanooga National Military Park Visitor Center. Here, detailed maps and engaging displays bring to life the death knell of the Confederacy. Each exhibit serves to illustrate the enormous impact of these battles, presenting them in a manner that is both educational and immersive. This center plays a pivotal role in showcasing the significance and implications of these momentous events in our nation's history. The Chickamauga and Chattanooga battles, a significant setback for the Confederacy, are vividly presented here. Now let us delve into the remaining 3 centers, each holding a unique story. First, we have the Antietam National Battlefield Visitor Center in Maryland, a significant landmark that commemorates the bloodiest day in American history. Through its films, exhibits, and battlefield tours, visitors are given a window into the stark realities and immense sacrifices of that fateful day. Next, we journey to the Vicksburg National Military Park Visitor Center in Mississippi. Here, the siege's strategic importance is brought to life through a detailed battlefield tour and interactive exhibits, providing a visceral understanding of the tactical maneuvers and high stakes involved. Lastly, we arrive at the Appomattox Courthouse National Historical Park Visitor Center in Virginia. It offers an in-depth exploration of the events leading to the war's end, allowing visitors to walk through the reconstructed village and truly grasp the climactic moments of the Civil War. From Antietam to Vicksburg and finally to Appomattox, these centers trace the war's grim trajectory and its profound impact on the nation. The Civil War, a defining period in American history, is brought to life in these interpretive centers. Each one, from Gettysburg to Appomattox, offers a unique lens into the events and strategies that shaped the nation. They allow us to step into the past, to engage with the stories, the triumphs, the tragedies. So venture out, explore these centers, connect with the history they hold. Through these centers, we can better grasp the Civil War's complex narrative and its enduring influence on America.